Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export or share your shopping list on the Amazon shopping application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Amazon shopping application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be able to search and shop for various different items. Now, if you want to share the items that you wish to buy with someone else, then you will need to add these items onto your shopping list and not into your shopping cart, because you are not able to share your shopping cart. However, you can share your shopping list that you can create. When you find any item that you wish to purchase, scroll down and tap on Add to List. This will now open up the Add to List option, where you can either choose the shopping list or you may also create a new list on your account. Choose the relevant list and it will be added to this list right away. And you can add multiple items within this list. Once you have added enough items to your list and you wish to share this list with someone else, then you can view your currently added lists by tapping on the account icon at the bottom section. Over here, you can tap on Your Lists, and now this will show you the lists that you have created, as well as the shopping list within which you have added your items. Go ahead and tap on the list that you wish to share, and once it is opened up, you can tap on the Invite button and then choose the View Only option so that individuals that you share this link with will be able to view your shopping list items. From here, you can simply choose text message, email, or other options, and you can also click on Copy Link in order to copy this link to your clipboard. After this, you can just share this link with the person that you want to share your shopping list with, and they can simply tap on this link in order to view your list. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to export or share your shopping list on Amazon Shopping. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.